Hello and welcome to the Dogface Development Co. Bars Product Showcase. What this is a basic Python Tinker game where you pick a bar, computer picks a bar, and the person who picks the last bar wins. It's written in Python and run through the Python module, or also known as idle. It's currently a public archive and is now read-only as there is no longer any more production going on with the project. It is available in GitHub. You can sponsor Dogface Development Co. by clicking here. You can watch the repository, fork the repository to add your own contributions, or star it here. As we scroll down, we'll see that it is currently on version 1.5, but as it is an archive project, there's really no more version updates. It shows that the last version update was 2016, so we know that there will be no more version updates anyways. It's built 100% with Python, as can be seen here. And now we see our README scrolling down the page. So, as I alluded to before, it's a basic game where you pick a bar, and then the computer picks a bar, and then whoever picks the last bar wins. Very, very basic. Basically, it can be installed through the Python module or by creating an executable file with cxfreeze. And then to start the game, you press the space bar on your computer when the game is loaded. Then select any number of bars by selecting the rightmost bar from the group of bars you want to select. Then the computer is going to select some bars. Keep playing until the computer or the computer selects the last bar. The person or computer to select the last bar is the winner. It's quite a difficult game to play. And as you can see through the links here, or through the images here, there are quite a different solutions that happen to the game, different ways that it can run out. And so it is licensed under the MIT license, which you can view in the license.md file in the repository. Now we'll scroll back up to the top here, and we can see our main.py file, which is right here, actually named as nim.py. What it does is play bars against the computer. So it's going to import total random time, gets the screen width, and then creates rows, random moves, a model, and runs through many lines of code, many different functions and classes in order to run this program. Now moving back to the main repository page here, we'll go into the program and see how it actually works. So I've opened the main bars program here in Visual Studio Code, my preferred editor of choice. And so we see our basic comment here, copyright 2016 and 2022, Dogface Development Co. And we see what the code actually does. So it starts by having some import statements, and import turtle, random, and time. Then it's going to use some constants to generate the screen. So it'll use the screen width and screen height, as well as the number of sticks that it can have. Then we'll scroll down here, we'll see our color statement. So these are basic colors that are used in the game, as well as our functions to create a random number of rows between the minimum and the maximum number of sticks. Then it will change these to either gray or not gray. And this will also create some random moves. Now we move into our object here, our model for the actual game. So it sets up the game by placing the sticks in the number of random rows, and then it will move by either having a game over or by playing the player. Now there's a class of a stick, so that uses the turtle command to build a rectangular stick on the screen, and then runs these coordinates here in this function to place those on the screen. Then the function will make a move and will manipulate the sticks in that way. Then we will display the sticks on the screen and then notify the user of the move, as well as start the move. As you can see here, these are much more easy to figure out what they do, as they have self.display commands which show what the program is actually saying in all of these. And then once the computer is done, once whoever has won, then this will be what is displayed. Either it'll be yay, you're the winner, or sorry, the computer is the winner, please try again. Then finally, this is the controller that starts the game. So say welcome to go, press the spacebar to start the game. So it knows, oh, if you press the spacebar, it will listen and it will start the game. And we can see just a basic code here that will make the window run and make a main loop for the window. So let's get started by playing the game. So we're going to press S5 and run it as a Python file. Now the computer will load it into PowerShell and run the command. And then it'll open up as a separate Tinker GUI window. So let's make it full screen so it fits. And I'll say welcome to bars. Let's go press the space bar to start the game. We're going to press the space bar. It's now selected as this random bar so you cannot select. And so we're going to select right here for this one. And now the computer is playing. Okay, let's select this one right there. Now let's go and select up to there. We're going to select this one right here. It's now forced us to do that, and look at that. Now it's 1 because I've selected all those. I selected all those. Now we can play back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like that. Regardless, the computer still would have won. Now let's play again. We're going to press the space bar, and let's go like this. There, it's made it even. It's going to block out the rest of that bar like that. And by going like this. We will attempt to beat the computer. However, this game is extremely hard and extremely addictive in order to beat. And look at that, it's beat us now. So by selecting one, it'll always win. Let's try it again. Select right here. It's almost blocked off that whole bar. I'll select a random amount like that. Okay, this selected that much. We're going to select that random amount there. Selected all of that, and look, it's beat us again. So as you can see, it is quite a smart computer game. It does it is able to figure out how to do quite a few of these things, and it is very, very hard to beat so far. Even though I've created the game, I have not ever been able to beat it. So, you know, if you want to head over to GitHub, review the code archive, download the code, and try it on your own to see how difficult the game is to beat. And if you can, you know, leave a comment down below or send a video of you beating the game.